In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2019 MCQ, that is the residue of f of z is equal to tan hyperbolic z is. Solution, first theorem, that is if the function g and h are analytic at z is equal to z naught and h has a 0 of order n at z is equal to z naught and g into z naught does not equal to 0, then the function f of z is equal to g into z divided by h into z has a pole of order n at z is equal to z naught. Second theorem, that is if the function g and h are analytic at z is equal to z naught and h has a 0 of order 1 at z is equal to z naught and g into z naught does not equal to 0, then the function f of z is equal to g into z divide h into z has a simple pole at z is equal to z naught, and residue f of z naught is equal to g into z1 divide h into z1. Since f of z is equal to tan hyperbolic z, so tan hyperbolic z can also be written in the form of sin hyperbolic z divided by cos hyperbolic z, where g of z is equal to sin hyperbolic z. Entire function, the function f of z is equal to tan hyperbolic z is equal to sin hyperbolic z divided by cos hyperbolic z will have a simple pole at the 0 of h of z is equal to cos hyperbolic z. Thus cos hyperbolic z is equal to 0 implies that cos hyperbolic z value is equal to e power z plus e power minus z divided by 2 equal to 0, which gives the e power 2z equal to minus 1. Now e power 2, it can also be written in the form of e power 2x dot e power 2y iota is equal to minus 1. So is equal to e power pi iota, and equating the real and imaginary parts, that is e power 2x equal to 1 and e power 2y is equal to pi, which implies that x is equal to 0 and 2y is equal to pi plus 2n pi, or y is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi divide 2. Hence zn is equal to 2n plus 1 divided into pi iota divided by 2, or the zeros of h of z equal to cos hyperbolic z. Thus residue of f of z, zn equal to sin hyperbolic zn divided by cos hyperbolic zn is equal to 1. So option D is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.